Okay, students, it's Thursday night about 9:30. I want to reiterate the fact that it's really important that you do homework and send it to me. Starting on Monday, I'm going to start recording who's submitted homework and who hasn't. So it's really important that you submit homework to me. I'm going to start with problem 22. I'm going to upload 22 tonight. I'm going to upload 21 tomorrow. I want to do 22 because 22 is the easier of those two problems. So I want to give you a chance to practice 22, check your homework with what we do here tonight, and then 21, then we'll upload then tomorrow. So, all right, so let's start with problem 22. And 22 has a combination of both purchase and sales transactions. And so we purchased $3,300 of merchandise inventory on account under terms 310, meaning I get a 3% discount if I pay it within 10 days. And the whole thing is due at the end of the month, and it's FOB shipping point. Okay, so this transaction then on February 3rd then is going to be recorded as merchandise inventory of $3,300 and accounts payable is $3,300. All right, then on the 7th, we returned $900 because this was defective merchandise. And so we're just going to reverse the entry we did before, only substitute $900. So accounts payable is reduced by $900 because I no longer owe it. And my merchandise inventory is credited for $900 because I no longer have this product now in my store. Okay, here I paid a freight bill of $400. We have to distinguish between freight coming in for product that I bought. Freight coming in for product that I buy, we're going to put that into our merchandise inventory account. When I sell something to somebody and pay for freight going out, that's a selling expense, and we're going to record it as freight out. Okay, so here we have freight coming in, freight on product coming in of $400. So that's going to go against my merchandise inventory account. And we paid cash for that. So this is $400. Okay, so I sold merchandise inventory on account for $4,700. When we have a sale under a perpetual inventory system, each sale requires 4 entries. Okay, the 4 entries are to accounts receivable or cash, a revenue or sales account, a cost of goods sold account, and our merchandise inventory account, because our merchandise inventory is going to go down by the amount of what we sold. Okay, so that's the 4 accounts that we're going to hit on every sales transaction. And that's what we have here is we have a sales transaction. And we're going to record these sales at net. That is, assuming our buyer takes the discount. We're going to record them at net, assuming that the buyer takes the discount. So here We sold it on account, so our entry is going to be accounts receivable and sales. And remember, we're going to record this at net, and so if we take $4,700 and the terms were $215, that is a 2% discount. We're going to take 2% off of that. And I think if you take $4,700 times 98%, that is, they're only going to pay 98% because they get a 2% discount. That number is going to be $4,606. All right, and then the next entry is my cost of goods sold account for the amount given in the problem, the $2,350, and merchandise inventory for $2,350. All right, on the 12th, I paid amount owed on credit purchase of February 23rd, less the return and the discount. So my total accounts payable is $2,400. And I got to get rid of the whole amount of the account payable. Remember, we started with $3,300. We took $900 off of that. That leaves $2,400 of account payable still left. So we're going to do account payable of $2,400, but the cash that I'm actually going to have to pay is $2,328. That is $2,400 times 0.97. And the $72 difference between those two goes against my merchandise inventory account. In other words, we paid $72 less for the inventory. Okay? And then on the 28th, we received cash from this customer. And this is an easy entry. We got cash for the $4,606, and accounts receivable is credited for the $4,606. And there it is. Like I said, check your homework on problem 22. This is the easier one of the two. And I'll upload problem 5-21 tomorrow. That one is a little more complicated problem. I think one of the things that will help you is if you review in your text problems 263 to 264. That will help you with a couple of those entries then in that problem. Well, with that, and good night. Remember to check back tomorrow after you review 22. Check back tomorrow for problem 21. Good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.